the goodies. The Dirtsack Core 30 quick release saddlebag and the saddle stay from Legendary Customs. Both are for the new Himalayan 450 Snowy. Now we'll unbox them one by one and also install them. And start off with the saddle stay by apparently this come with all the nuts and bolts and bits and bobs that are required to install them. As you see, here is the set of nuts. It has got I think everything, 4 long screws and 2 short ones, and this is the saddle stay proper. Pretty decently packed. However, one would have loved a little bit of packing. And here we have, I think, the bill. Okay, that's it. Yeah, some other name, and it has costed me 4,060 rupees, and that is it. Some sticker of Bandidos. This is the brand name with his Legendary Custom goes. Anything else in the package? No, nothing. So let's keep it aside and open the saddle stay. Okay. I think I'll open it up and then we'll show you. So here we have both the sides unwrapped and unpacked. This is the right side one and this is the left side one. There is the small little package which comes with all the nuts and bolts required for the installation, and a small guide as to which nut and which bolt goes where. So now we'll go for the installation. Okay, so now we are going to fit the right one first. It will fit something like this, as you can see. I'll just try to hold it here. No. Okay, now I have just kept it in place. I have not fixed it. The existing nut at both these places will come out, and the longer ones which have come with the kit will get fitted here, and one additional one will go in here, which also comes with the Pannier stake kit from Legendary Customs. Now for the tools, we just need a 6 mm hex and a 13 mm spanner. That's all we need. Now these are the nuts and bolts that have come. You see, 2 longer ones, 2 shorter ones, and 2 even shorter ones with nut bolt complete with washer, and all are M8. So hex 6 will go on top, and M13 will be required. Spanner 13 will be required for the tightening. So now we'll quickly loosen this. I'm using a ratchet spanner, and we're done with a normal Allen key also. It just makes the whole walk little quicker. That's it. And loosen them. A bit earlier. Now, new discovery. I thought this too, this as well as this bolts will come up only with the Allen key, but it's not so. There are nuts also inside. So one here, there will be one here and another one here. So these two are easily accessible, but to access these two nuts, I think I'll have to take out the panel below. So it just increases the work. Let's see how it goes. Now, as you see, I have finished installing the saddle racks. I'll point out certain salient aspect. I had already told this takes this as well as this takes M6 hex socket, the other side also. For this you require M6 on this side, and for the nut you require number 13 spanner. So these are the only tools that you need. Correction, you also need to, as I was telling, this bolts have got nuts on the inner side. So it's not that they can take out just these two from outside. One has to take out the seat, as I'll just show you. Okay, so there are nuts, one here inside and another here. So these are accessible once you take out the front seat. These are accessible once you take out the front seat. However, these nuts, the rear ones, are not accessible. So you'll have to take out the tail section. To take out the tail section, you have to disconnect this tail light connector, these two bolts, as well as two hex nuts, one here, one on the other side. These are number 5. So first take out these two, then take out the upper one, and the whole thing just slides out. So that's how you can access these two. Another thing that I want to highlight is, once you're installing the legendary custom rear rack, look at this. This portion comes inside. What happened was, while installing, I put it outside, so the alignment of the holes and the nut bolts and the holes just went off. I just could not fit it. So once I changed it to the inside, it just fitted beautifully, as if millimetric accuracy. So this is how it looks now. Just take out the key. It looks very much part of the bike, nothing different or all. Only thing I would have liked had the color of the frame would have matched this color of the bike frame, but I think they will not be making it like this. It will be either in black or maybe, I don't know. As of now it is available only in black, so be it. So this is done. I will be installing the 430 plates later on. Some more mods that I have carried out. These are the Baja Squadron Pro lights mounted on the side frames. The tried and tested quad lock. This is the switch for the Baja 3 level of intensity, which is programmable, by the way. And I also have the RE original radiator guard installed, as well as the rally sump guard. And this is the plate for GV top box, which I carried over from my last bike.